Navjyoti Transforming Lives and Career Society (NGO) has been formed for the well-being of Divyangjan, empowerment of women, girls' literacy, upbringing tribal youth, rural youth, etc. It has a mission to eradicate the poverty by providing quality skill training and placement to youth. To achieve this mission, it has trained over 70,000 youth and placed over 50,000 youth so far. With God's grace, Navjyoti is the first one to start with multiple projects like first who started skilling training the trainer in India for the IT/ITES Sector Skill Council. First who did mega job fair with Government of Haryana. Approximately 18,000 people participated at one go. First who did training to women on plumbing and electrician job role. First who managed national level job fair for person with disability. First who developed the e-content for person with disability. Multiple Divyangjan learned the course at one go. First to develop the LMS for person with disability. First to work with NHFDC to skill people across Haryana, MP and UP. First to work with Himachal Pradesh Kaushal Vikas Nigam to skill person with disabilities. Navjyoti Transforming Lives and Career Society has pan-India presence and headquarters at Gurgaon, Delhi, NCR location. Its training center at Gurgaon has state-of-art facility equipped with latest technology and equipment of new era. It has capacity to train 400 students at one go, along with residential facility. Person on wheelchair can independently enter the premises and go to any corner. It has world-class infrastructure and have kept environment in mind while constructing the building. Every drop of water is saved. Electricity usage has been minimized. Adjoining to the building there is a park, which is used by the candidates for recreational activities like walking, cycling, etc. A spiritual practice or spiritual discipline is utmost crucial for the purpose of inducing spiritual experiences and cultivating spiritual development. To develop the same, there is a beautiful temple designed where candidates worship and explore spirituality. Navjyoti wants to work for youth and make them self-sufficient and self-reliant. It has a mission to empower Divyangjan and make them rich in terms of knowledge and wisdom. Navjyoti wants to bring a big change towards how people look towards Divyangjan. Instead of making them needy, our endeavor is to make them future ready. There are several Divyangjan, economy weaker section youth, tribal youth, rural youth who are looking for your attention and need your contribution. Come along with us, contribute in this beautiful journey where we can together transform lives and career of such youth. We need your attention towards creating their brighter future and value addition in their life and career. Let's together make a better, brighter and a bolder world for those in need. Your support can be of great value in enhancing lives of these people.
यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से ट्रेनिंग की हमने और बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया गया है हमारी पर्सनैलिटी के बारे में, इंटरव्यू कैसे देखते हैं।
मैं यहाँ पे आया और मैंने यहाँ 2 महीने का कोर्स किया। मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा और यहाँ विकलांग बच्चों के लिए बहुत सारी सुविधाएं भी उपलब्ध है और उनको अपनी ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए उनके बारे में बहुत सारा विचार किया जा रहा है, सोचा जा रहा है।
सब कुछ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट था तो मैंने अच्छे से पढ़ाई की और यहाँ उन्होंने इंटरव्यू दिवाया, बहुत सारी कंपनियाँ आई में इंटरव्यू दिवाया और मेरा सिलेक्शन भी हो गया। मैं स्टार्टिंग कंपनी में जॉब भी कर रहा हूँ। मैं दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
ये दिव्यांग बच्चों को अच्छी स्किल के साथ तैयार करते हैं और यहाँ पे सभी बच्चों के लिए जो सुविधा है वो खाने से लेकर रहने तक सभी फ्री प्रोवाइड की जाती है और उनको आत्मनिर्भर बनने के लिए तैयार किया जाता है। तो मैं तो यही कहूँगा कि जो ये नवज्योति है ये हम सभी दिव्यांग बच्चों के लिए अच्छा काम कर रही है।
To contribute and to know more about the initiatives and programs, connect us at 98703 50139. Email your concern at navjyoti.rs@gmail.com. Thank you.